Crushing soft and crunchy things with a car. Satisfying. Oh, I thought that was a squishy toy. It had batteries in it. Do batteries explode? I don't know. Do they? I don't know. I think they do. Ooh. Ooh, that was weird. Why is that water yellow? Yuck. Aww. Spectacles. My spectacles got broken. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was filled. Do you think those would explode if you ran over it? Like, if it... Nah, this one's gonna be boring. Skip. Yeah, that's boring. They don't even do anything. Like, they barely even got broken. Those are durable AF. What? Why did it stay alive? Oh, that hippo's so cute. Oh, that hippo looks so dumb. All right, what else? We got chalk. Meh, chalk was boring. That's boring. I need my coffee. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, wow, that's a lot of water balloons. Oh, wow. That was satisfying. No one gets left behind. Except for that pink one that rolled away. Lightning McQueen! Speed. I am speed. Faster than fast, quicker than quick. I like cars, okay? I like the first one. I like the vibes of it. I like the third one. The second one sucked. It did. Don't even question it. Oh. Man, I want something to like explode violently. Nah, that was boring. I want something to explode. Oh, that's like memory foam? Whoa. That's a weird one. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. Okay, that was satisfying. Is that a 7? I think that was a 7. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty juicy. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.